How's it going, everyone, and welcome to my small backyard gardening YouTube channel. So here I'm all about trying to help you guys grow as much of your own organic produce for as cheap as possible. And if at all during this video you like it, then make sure you consider subscribing, which is just straight down below or in the bottom right hand corner. But today I'm going to be harvesting some potatoes. So I don't even know what variety these are. They've just been growing wildly along here, so I just planted two just by one of the peach trees, and back in August or so, and so they've been growing for about 4.5 months. They probably can grow on for a couple more weeks, maybe even a month or so, but they're starting to get in the way a bit, and I do want to plant some other things there. So today they're coming up, so we'll head straight there and get straight into harvesting. Okay, so I've got one plant here, one plant behind me here. You see the nice big leafy growth. So time to dig them up and see what we got underneath. Ooh. Oh, there's heaps along here. There's a few. Alright, on to the second one. Oh, that doesn't look good. Very big green potato there. There's a couple of greenies. Obviously I didn't put the mulch down thick enough. Alright, that's a nice one. That's a good keeper. One here, some small ones. Side. So this is it. That's from one plant, and then that is from the other. So this one was okay. There was a lot of small ones, and a few of them started to go a bit green. You can see along here, but this one didn't do as well at all. All these were quite green, as you can see. There was this one. This is a decent sized potato, and that's got no green parts on it, which is nice. But yeah, I definitely didn't put enough mulch down, and probably didn't plant them as deep as I could have when I planted them. But overall, it's not the worst, but it is definitely not as good as what I've done in the past. I also remember I didn't really water these heaps, and there were a lot of slaters in its early stage when it was just sprouting, and they were just chewing away at the leaves and stems. But all in all, that's not too bad. So yeah, we'll see what we can do with these. Well, there you go, guys. That is my little potato harvest. First little potato harvest for 2018. As you saw, it wasn't that great, and definitely not as good as I've had before. But that's alright. I'll probably put those in what I can use, those that aren't green. Probably in a soup with some zucchini. Been getting a lot of zucchinis lately, so that'll probably make a nice little couple of meals. But otherwise, if you do want to see an actual decent potato harvest of mine a couple of years ago, I'll leave a link in the YouTube card, which you can check out if you haven't seen that. Other than that, I'll pretty much end it there. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like that, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up, and if you have any comment suggestions or questions, or you just want to say g'day, pop it down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And lastly, if you did like that and you want to see more videos just like that, then make sure you subscribe. There'll be a link down in the bottom right hand corner, and also in just straight below. You can click on that just to stay updated. So whenever I post a new video here on YouTube, you can come along and suss it out. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you're all having a cracker of a week, and I will catch you all next time.